Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Poliputhi jong gejala Meghalaya urakam sangma ulai khublei kerpang nge baro ki khna school hakaling gejala ki bala pass bhai ke Eksamin secondary school leaving certificate hakbai ka result apan bana da Meghalaya Board of School Education mendagasngi ka santarik ya yong arjar arpasan habakran shikila pathai khubor menteri ulai Mynsiem ru yakitu ki samla puli ki bom shimla poi shakathong hakajing persyang jongki bat ula kentu ki bakimdei bandu Mynsiem hendai bantre shitom shu Hagjing Pynkhreh ya ka supplementary exam kabal khmidunti bandong Biang ha Bnai Jymmang arjar arpusan.
Look at the very outset. So it's my pleasure to congratulate all the students, those who have come out with the flying colors, the top 20 and all the successful students who have passed this year in the examination 2025 first turn examination, and also those who have failed. This examination should be challenged and should be a challenge for them, and rather it should, instead of giving them loose hope, this examination should ignite them. So I want to tell those who could not come true, there is another chance coming up as a supplementary examination in the last week of April or first week of May. They should prepare well and they should do better.
87.10 it is a record of sorts in the history of MBOS. How was it?
Look, this is the fruit of all the contribution of every stakeholders. At this moment, I would like to congratulate, thanks the board members, our officials, our teachers, our police personnel, and all the government machinery, those who have contributed and supported for the smooth conduct of this examination. So look, yes, true, it's a historic and a record-breaking percentage because this has been achieved because of series of small intervention of the department of the government. I'll give an example. Suppose at the very beginning we have introduced a new textbook, the NCERT textbook, which at par with the rest of the country. Number two, we have changed the question pattern because the question pattern Nagaland question was unique with the rest of the country. So therefore, we have decided to change the question pattern as per the CBSE pattern, AICE pattern, and with the other state board. Therefore, we have seen a different question this year. The pattern is different, not the content. Content and the syllabus is same, but the pattern of question has been quite different this year. And number three, we have launched a CM Impact program. The textbook, be it training for the teachers, training for the students, guidance for the students, extra classes, supplementary classes for the students, these are all under CM Impact program. So these things really help them. And also, the students, they have really take all the challenge and they have given it interest. And all, on top of that, the students, maybe this has really given them an interest and they have worked hard and because of the dedication, so they have understood the importance of education, so they have really worked, and therefore with all this unite contribution and approach, we have seen the result. Yeah.
The number of toppers also has gone up
Yes.
this time. So is it also the reason for better performance?
Yes, look, as I've said already, because of all this approach, right? They have those who are better earlier, they have become best today. Those who were best yesterday, they have become excellent today. Those who were excellent yesterday, they were become marvelous and wonderful today. So like this, those who are bad, they have become good today. Those who are good, they have become today a better. So all things, look, this really is the motivation. So I think all the government approach, officials, teachers, institutions, the parents, the seriousness has put all this together to make them serious and more committed to the studies. Yeah.
Okay.
Never. The standard never been compromised. Look, we are even go higher. Look, the MBOS and the CBSE and the NCERT, we have gone up the standard higher impact by adopting the NCERT textbook. Will you say going down? No. From the MBOS to the CBSE, that means we are going up really differently. Number two, the question pattern. when we go up from the MBO standard to the CBSE all India level standard, that means we are going up. Rather the standard has been gone up. So we have the quality never been compromised. The contents, the syllabus is equally the same standard with the rest of the country today. But we have just the small intervention seen at the result in the difference.
They did not have the selection test, which made it easy for them.
No, we had, right? Really. Selection, I think there was at the school level, right? At the school level. But however, look earlier, I will just give a small example. In the previous examination, we only used to give, this question is with me. These are all question papers are with me. There are only four objective type question, only 4 numbers. Whereas in the CBSE, in the AICE, and with the rest of the country, you will see more than 20, 25, 30 objective question was there. So we have adopted a simple, the standard at par with the rest of the country. That's a simple. Means the question pattern was along at par with the CBSE standard and the AICE standard. These things has made them easier how to write the exam, and also CM Impact program would really help them, because I want to thank our honorable Chief Minister, who have really guided us well, and his commitment, his seriousness, his taking the education as importance. We have seen the result. Not only because the building of infrastructure, sending the teacher, we have sent the DC every month to the schools. We have sent our officials as DSEO to the schools to visit, to encourage, and we have called meeting of all the schools, those who have failed in the last previous years. We have called them and asked them why it is so. Maybe all this has given them a push to do better.
So the supplementary exams.
Look, if you look at the figure, look, the regular, there are 2-3 categories. Like the regular one is a regular, those who are writing for the first time this year. The percentage is 94.5, above 90, and we have called it